So hey guys, I didn't want to do this video, but hang on, Susan's calling me again. Hello? Another video? Are you kidding me? Wait, ad revenue boost is my reward? Damn it. Ad revenue is my secret weakness. Don't worry, I have it to you by today. Okay, love you, Susan. Sorry for that last bit. Anyways, today I'm going to teach you how to make my signature dish, microwave Vegemite. Yes, sounds gross, but trust me, it isn't. Now, to start, you've got to grab your 2 slices of bread. Then, put them in the toaster. Now, of course, I just wanted to talk to you about something. I usually just make you wait for the stuff, so more view time, more ad revenue, but people just skip over it anyway. But I get ad revenue in the end, so it doesn't matter. Anyways, whilst your toast is cooking, sorry I remained silent. Again, more view time, more ad revenue, if people skip over this anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Oh, finally! Toaster's popped. You haven't got to scold yourself. Oh. As you can see, I might have burned up a bit. Anyways, now, just get your knife, get your batter, grab your knife, grab your toast, and then spread away. That's one slice done. Looks delicious, don't you think? Anyways. I wonder who's making those sounds. Anyways. Forget that. I know our house isn't haunted, but still. Now. I'm still suspicious that our house is haunted. By the way, here's a random fact about kettles. Did you know that if you go to America, most people there will never have a kettle, probably because they and use electronics for most of their lives anyways. Now, it looks delish. Now, I'm gonna spread, oh crap. Oh crap. He might just dropped out. I'll add an extra top layer. I'll wipe it up, like so. That's that done, and now we stick this in the microwave. Always be sure to use a microwave plate like this one. Also, make sure to dry it off so you don't die. Jeez, it's taking a long time to clean. Crap it. Crap. I know a towel's pretty insane still. Now, just stick this in the microwave. There we go. Now, as you can see, you probably can't see if the microwave's on. Anyways, so put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. After that, just try to put all the white stuff. Oh, it's done. Cool. Can't you smell the deliciousness? Oh, look. There. Looks appetizing, doesn't it? Now, it's ready to serve. Make sure you clean the plate so it doesn't stick. Make sure you clean the microwave plate so it doesn't stick. Close the microwave as seen. And then, bon appetit. Anyways, bon appetit. Just remember, don't burn your fingers or your mouth on this. That's all. Now will you give me the boost? Okay, cool.